Hello Maths fans, welcome back. It is me again, giving you some support with Maths Watch Clip 212. We're looking at a standard question here, question 2. Okay, so if you watch the video, hopefully you have a good idea what to do here, but we're going to go through this anyway. Okay, so it says here, the graph of y equals x squared minus 4x is shown on the grid. Y equals x squared minus 4x. Find the range of values for which x squared minus 4x is greater than 0. Well, they told us that y is equal to x squared minus 4x, so we could also say, well, that's the same as where y is greater than 0. Okay, now what does y mean? We're talking about the y coordinate. So if we have a look on this graph, it's been sketched for us. When is y greater than 0? Well, this is where 0 is on the y-axis, and we're looking for y values where y is greater than 0. Okay, so actually if the graph where y is equal to 0, all of this part here, any coordinate on the graph, on this graph here, any y part of that coordinate will be positive or greater than 0. Greater than 0, by the way, is another way of saying positive, so less than 0, negative, so just think of it in that way. What happens here? At this point here, y is actually 0. It becomes less than 0, less than 0, less than 0, less than 0, 0, and now it's greater than 0. Okay, so again, we've got these points here. So that portions of the graph where the y coordinates would be positive or greater than 0. Now hopefully you can understand that. We don't want the y coordinates. What we want to know is what x values cause those y coordinates to be positive. Now if I put 4 in, you can see it would give me 0 itself. Anything greater than 4, if I start going off in this direction, I will get a positive y coordinate. Okay, if I just read that off the y-axis over here, it would be positive. So anything in that direction is going to work for me here. Okay, so I'd say when x is greater than 4. Now it's negative, 0, and again it's positive here. So here I need values of x, any x value going in this direction. Any of these x values here, if I was to substitute that into the equation, x squared minus 4x, I will get I'll get a positive y coordinate as well. So we want to know where any value where x is less than 0. Okay, now we're not using equal to 0 because the actual question said x squared minus 4x is greater than 0. If it had said x squared minus 4x is greater than or equal to 0, we would be allowed to use 0 and 4 here, but we're not. Okay, so simply, it's actually told you in the question here, x is less than 0 and x is greater than 4. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you next time.